Hi guys, so we're going to talk or review about finding the error or the flaw in a problem. So here's an example. The temperature at 6 a.m. was negative 4.8 degrees Celsius. The temperature went up by 1.7 degrees by noon. Michael wants to perform the following operation, negative 4.8 plus 1.7. But when he does the operation, he believes the correct temperature at noon is negative 6.5 degrees Celsius. Now your job is to explain his flaw and then give the correct temperature. So this is a two-part problem, and you're going to have to first figure out where his mistake was, because that's what flaw means. Flaw means mistake or error. So if you go back to your notes, you should remember that a negative plus a positive is when you subtract. Now, as you can see, 4.8 plus 1.7 is 6.5. But in this situation, you don't add them because you have a negative and a positive. When you have a negative and a positive, you have to subtract. So if I take 4.8 and I subtract 1.7, 8 minus 7 is 1, 4 minus 1 is 3. And since the 4 is the bigger number, or it has the higher absolute value, you would keep the negative sign. So then your answer is negative 3.1. So the correct temperature at noon is negative 3.1 degrees Celsius. The flaw was he made the mistake and he added both numbers instead of subtracting. So again, this is a two-point question, and it has two parts. If you only answer one, you're going to miss the whole thing if it's on the pivot test or if it's on the state test. I'm going to leave some notes for you, and I'm going to give you some more questions.